Hello world, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'll be taking you guys through my auction application, and these are my models. So this is my Django admin, so you can go to any model, enter, and you can literally change anything. It's the same for all of them. You can change anything. Users, you can go to one of the users, change their permissions, everything. So now for the auction, so I'm already logged in as Madara, which is my super user. And now the first thing that I'll demonstrate is adding a listing. So now I'm gonna add this Funko Pop that I got from Takealot. Takealot, okay. I'm gonna copy image address. I will put it here. Starting price, I'll just say 500. Tag, I'll say collectible. And so you can chain up the tags as well. I'm just gonna say other. And then for the description, yeah, just gonna copy everything and paste. And then now I'm gonna submit the listing. It takes me to my active listing page, and you can see that the Funko Pop is there. So this is my active listing where all the listings that are active will appear. You also get categories. So categories you can select. For example, we said this is others, I believe, and it's there. But we can choose, like you can say phones and tablets. You see those are there. We can chain it with collectibles. The Funko Pop was a collectible, I remember. Or you can say, what's a more obvious one? Yes, vehicles. Yeah. So you can pretty much chain them up, and it uses Ajax. That was how I actually had to do. It uses Ajax to uh, submit the request and then refreshes the whole page. Okay. So now I will be showing you guys my bidding page. So this is the bidding page. Remember, Madara is the person who listed this. So this is what he sees. So you can only close and sell it. He cannot bid. But now I have two other. I'm logged in as. Let me do this. I'm also logged in as Itachi and Sasuke at the bottom there. And let me move this here. So I'm gonna refresh. And you see the Funko Pop is there. I'm gonna do the same thing for Itachi. And the Funko Pop is there. So what they see is that so they'll be seeing tags, watch list. They'll be able to add it to a watch list, and they'll be able to place a bid. So now, what I'll be showing you guys is the comment section. So now you see currently there's no comments, right? And Itachi maybe post something like, "Is that Naruto?" question mark, and then he's gonna comment on that. If you go to the bottom, you can see that Itachi commented at this time. Now Sasuke will go to the bid, and he'll be able to see Itachi's comment as well. And then that's the comment section. Now, as for the watch list, let me use a different product. Let me use. So I'm gonna go to watch list. There's currently that. Let me check Itachi. Okay, watch list is empty. I'm gonna try to add something to the watch list. I'm gonna press bid. I'll do bid, and I'll be adding this to the watch list. Right, it's added to the watch list. You can see that it also changed colors. You go to the watch list, it's there. So now what I'm gonna be doing now is demonstrating. I'll refresh this. Now what I'll be doing is to demonstrate the bidding feature. So now, let's say Itachi is interested in the Naruto Funko Pop, and he's gonna bid. So it is currently about 500. So now he's gonna try to bid for 500, place a bid. He gets an error, it tells him that the amount is too low. And then now he's gonna bid 600 now. Places a bid. Your bid has been successful. So now once you place a bid, it's gonna put it in your watch list, and it's gonna tell you the status of the product, because you're in the lead in terms of bidding. And you can also differentiate between the things that you put in your watch list and the things that you bid on. So now Sasuke is also interested in the Funko Pop. So he sees that the current price has changed. He's gonna place a bid for 700. Places a bid, and he has placed the bid. Watch list. He sees that he's winning, but wait, they can't both win. So I'm gonna refresh for Itachi, and you see that he's been bidded. Yeah. Okay. So now, I'll be closing the listing. Now I'm gonna close the listing. I'm gonna refresh this first. So now the bid is at 700. The starting bid was 500. Madar is satisfied with that. He's gonna close the bid. Now he has no other option. The options are gone. And now, if you go to my listing, it tells you that the item has been sold, right? And now I'm gonna go to our people here. You see that Itachi has lost because he was outbidded. And what about Sasuke? Now I'm gonna refresh this for Sasuke. Oh, this is such a mess. Congratulations, you have won this item. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So my listing is where if you place a bid, it's gonna show the listing here. Just like for Madara here, my listing, it shows what you have listed, and it tells you the status that it's still active or it's been sold. This has been sold. And now I'm going to check active listing. You can see the Funko Pop is no longer there. So yeah. So that is my commerce project. I know the presentation was a bit of a mess, but I hope you guys were able to see through that. But thank you very much. Take care.